Hi everybody, it's Deborah with Bitty Bet Slots and my son Dallas.
Hello.
And we are here in Seven Feathers Canyonville Resort in Canyonville, Oregon today to play some slots for you. I have $20 going in. We're going to play this giant dancing drums explosion.
Oh, it's huge.
We'll see what we can do about making some money off of it.
Yeah, $11,400 grand, 875, 53-cent major. Let's see if we can get it.
Let's do it. And we're betting the minimum of 88 cents. Here we go.
Here we go.
Come on, close that pot for us.
We need 3 drums. Oh, look at all those coins.
There we go, $1.50 for that. That helps us out. Come on, drums. Well, there's one. Ah, we're missing trees. We needed a couple more.
120.
Come on, bonus. Show us some love.
Let's get that bonus. Ooh.
Hey, that's all right. $1.50. It helps us have a little bit more money to play with.
I think those also count for the drum bonus.
They do. That's the one I want, is the golden drum.
Yeah.
Love it. Aw, man, we're missing one.
That's the first one.
Come on, bonus.
Got some ingots.
Yep. Ah, we almost had more boats.
Needed more boats.
We need to get the progressive.
Yeah.
We want the major. Let's get the major. Oh, yay!
Ooh, wow.
There we go. $9 worth of boats. All right. That helps us out.
Yeah, that was a good hit.
Woohoo! There we go. Oh, we got it! We got it!
Fist bump.
Yeah! All right, there we go. We got $4.40 for the trigger.
Yep.
All right. Let's see.
Go. Which one
game?
do you wanna do?
Let's
do 10.
All right, let's do the 10.
There we go. Okay. See what it does.
Come on now, retrigger right away. Aw, 3 queens. That's it.
Oh, we got
Well,
some
that's
coins.
$2 for that. Come on, retrigger.
We got some boats.
We got a few boats.
5 more spins.
Ah. Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Got a couple more. Okay, we got a little bit of boats there.
3 more spins.
Oh, that's all right. We got all the coins all the way across.
Some coins.
That helped us.
That was a good hit. Pretty good. Okay.
Last
spin.
one. Hey, that wasn't terrible.
Okay.
Not bad. 1605. All right, we'll take it.
Yeah.
There we go.
Let's see.
Woohoo!
So that puts us up to, I think, 30. What do you think? You want to cash or you want to go down a little bit?
Let's take it down to our original 20, and then if we haven't gotten another bonus by then, we'll cash out.
Yeah.
Come on, golden drum. We want the golden drum bonus. That's the one we want.
It was nice we got to get in there, though. At least
Yeah. Ah, come on now. There's 2 of the drums. Oh, look at that.
Ingots. Yeah.
3 of them at the back.
At the end.
Aw.
Oh,
there's that elusive golden one. Ah.
Oh. Okay.
All right, there we go. They gave us enough for one more spin.
Yeah, one more spin.
Oh, I thought I was going to give it to us. Okay, folks, we have 2074 and we're cashing out. Thanks for watching so much.